go here. And there's a green. Yellow with a red. It goes the opposite of the orange, so let me get there. Oh goodness. That's correct because it's red spot. These whites are in the wrong spot. Look at this orange over just oranges. No, can't really. That's definitely more right. There's my green. That needs to be like, oops, that needs to be like flipped. Not sure how to flip something. Oh, I have to use my brain more. I'm not good at braining as much as I used to be. Well, braining is something else, obviously, but I'm not good at thinking. I've never brained anything, technically, but you know, in millennial speak, braining. Let's see, orange and a blue. So blue is opposite. Oh, I keep going in the frame. I'm sorry. Let's try that. Okay. Blue is opposite of green. So boop. Like this should be the opposite of green. The ones in the middle are correct because they stay opposite always of the correct ones. So that's kind of how you can tell how close you are. You can navigate by that. So like these blues should be opposite of the greens. And they're correct because the white matches the middle white. And that is not correct because it matches. Then I can move this white over. But that white's not right because that's a red. So it should be on this side. The red should. So if I twist that around that way, and then like I can spin that. So then that's right. But then I've spun something else to be wrong. This red. With the yellow. There's yellow. So that would be right for that red. And where's the one I was just messing with? I'm not even sure. Was it this one? Let me do this. And this. But then that white and red is. That white and red is now messed up. So I'll turn that and that. That's way more correct now. That yellow should be on the opposite side because yellow and white are opposite sides. That red needs to be over here. If my brain worked in the right way, or if I was better at this, then I could just, like, it would be easy, I feel like. I feel like it should be easy, but it's not. I want it to just be easy. But, My brain does not quite work in the right way for it to be easy. Like, I almost get it, but I don't get it. I'm learning a little bit. Like, I didn't know the thing about opposites when I first started messing with this. Or messing with Rubik's Cubes. Like, I figured that out after a bit, but there's a white that's like needs to be over here. Okay, I'm gonna try something. Oh shit. So I don't try things. Oh no. What did I do? What did I just do? I don't even know what I just did. This is what makes it so tricky. It's like there's no reset. Like, okay, that's more over there. So yeah, I'm just like, I just try to get it more correct because I don't know that I'm ever gonna really get it, and then like I feel like I get it pretty close, and then I want to just keep going because I'm like, I got this, like I'll get it, just like one more minute, and then I just mess it up so badly I don't even know what the heck I did or how to fix it or anything like that. Okay, so we have a row of whites here on the opposite side of where it should be. I'll mix that back there. I feel like it was there a minute ago, but I'm not quite sure if it was. This is a yellow. So it's like the right size, but not the right side, but not the right part of it, because it should be there like that. But then I probably messed up a bunch of other things. It's kind of the whole deal with a Rubik's Cube. It's just like you fix one thing, you mess up something else. And that is why it is so confounding and fascinating. Because it's kind of like life. Like, on the surface, fixing everything might look simple, but as soon as you try to fix one problem, you mess something else up. And sometimes it's hard to figure out what you messed up or how to get it back or anything. Ooh, that's a good amount of blue. That red should be on the other side though. That's in the right spot, right? Yeah. So how do I move this without messing up this? So, that's got all reds in a row. I don't want to mess that up because, like, that's pretty good. What if I turn it that way? Okay, but then, okay, well, that wasn't the right yellow there anyway, so it doesn't matter. Okay, this, obviously, this corner, I don't know because I dropped it on that corner and the pieces fell off. So I have no idea what pieces are supposed to be there. I could count. I could look at all the pieces and count them and see which ones are missing, but I still wouldn't know which spots they're supposed to be in. Let's just be over on the side. White. Because here. Ah. 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 It's now, this should be on the opposite side of greens. So, why is it there? My brain is not used to thinking this much in logical ways. Can't, that's not right. That's kind of right, and probably messed up a bunch of stuff. That's more right. Where are my blues? Blues, clues, blue, clue, blue. Don't have a clue how to get the blues in the right spot. Look, that's not where it should be. It's got hold of me, and I am doing something wrong, but I don't know what, and I can't figure it out. Just gotta shout and pout and lollygag about this blue gotta be in that spot there, except not really, because look, that does match. Really, this blue should be there. Okay, that's a lot of reds in a row. Can I at least just finish this one side? Even if it's not all in the right spot, that would be nice. Okay, I can do it. Alright. Ta-da-ta-da! One side complete. Don't look at the rest because it's a mess. This is our little secret. Because this one side is perfect. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's like pretty good. So, bye y'all.